fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights visibility into shipper practices, a load recommendations feature, cargo theft prevention, and more. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Carrier Logistics, Inc., a provider of freight management software for less-than-truckload fleets, has a new data integration with ShipperScore by FreightFacts. The integration provides LTL carriers with greater visibility into shipper practices and behaviors that can negatively impact efficiency and profitability. ShipperScore delivers a credit bureau FICO-style rating on shipper performance. Adding ShipperScore to CLI's freight management platform enables carriers to evaluate shipper behavior at both account and facility levels during the customer evaluation process before pricing or accepting shipments. Cargo theft trend data from Verisk CargoNet is now available in the TruckerPath app's navigation feature. TruckerPath's platform already provides truck-specific navigation, including real-time free and reserved parking availability, fuel pricing, weigh station status, and other essential operational data. The addition of CargoNet data adds a new layer of visibility, helping drivers better understand risk along their routes and make more informed routing decisions. Actionable theft intelligence includes a theft risk rating by county, the monthly total stolen vehicle count, most stolen commodity categories, common theft subtypes like cargo only, trailer, etc., and the ability to filter by risk severity. DAT Freight and Analytics has launched a new feature in the DAT One mobile app that displays a curated set of loads most likely to fit a carrier's truck, lanes, and operating preferences. With load recommendations, carriers open the app and see their top opportunities the moment they sign in, instead of scrolling through every available load and filtering manually. Load recommendations draws on several factors, including the carrier's equipment types, the lanes they typically run, and how they search for freight and engage with the DAT One marketplace. Then the app prioritizes loads that fit the carrier's operating pattern and automatically brings them forward. Recommendations refresh regularly and become more tailored as the carrier uses the app. Highway's carrier vetting has been directly embedded into the Transfix TMS for freight brokers and 3PLs. With the integration, brokerage operations and compliance teams can verify carrier legitimacy, insurance status, and authority to operate without leaving the Transfix TMS workflow. Highway's vetting runs automatically as carriers are sourced and onboarded, applying real-time fraud and compliance checks at the exact moment a load is being covered, when the risk of impersonation, double brokering, and identity-based theft is highest. Safety solutions provider Provision has released a new solution for commercial fleets designed to enhance safety during lane change, merging, and reversing maneuvers. Powered by an onboard edge processor, the AI-equipped camera uses advanced computer vision to detect pedestrians and vehicles in real time. When a potential hazard is detected, audible and visual alerts appear directly on the monitor alongside the live camera view, improving driver awareness and enabling a quick response. Configurable detection zones allow fleets to adjust alert distances based on vehicle type, operating environment, or application needs. Automotive TMS platform SuperDispatch has rolled out SuperCard, a fuel card designed specifically for auto transport carriers. The card helps carriers access or build credit, get exclusive fuel discounts, manage expenses at scale, and simplify administrative tasks. Beyond fuel savings, SuperCard consolidates expenses across fuel, maintenance, and other transportation costs into a single card with built-in IFTA reporting up to 30% off maintenance costs and Fuel Finder route planning integrated directly into the driver app in the SuperDispatch platform. It also adds a layer of control, allowing fleet owners to set per-driver spending limits, issue and deactivate driver cards from a single dashboard, and access full transaction history and spend visibility across their entire operation. Fleet maintenance and optimization platform Fleetio has become the latest reseller partner for Linxup, a GPS fleet tracking and safety technology company. Fleetio's cloud-based software simplifies fleet maintenance management by automating service schedules, optimizing fuel and tool management, and delivering timely AI-powered insights while enabling fleets to manage maintenance workflows in-house or through third-party providers. Paired with Linxup's real-time GPS fleet tracking and telematics platform, customers will benefit from streamlined workflows and a complete picture of fleet health without disconnected systems. For fleet managers, the partnership eliminates the manual reconciliation of telematics and maintenance data that has historically lived in separate systems. End-to-end visibility through a unified dashboard, covering vehicle location, maintenance status, repair history, and total cost of ownership, enables smarter repair versus replace decisions and reduces unplanned downtime. TrailerSentry has launched TrailerSentry by 7P Solutions to advance trailer and cargo security. TrailerSentry is designed to stop unauthorized movement before loss occurs by allowing fleets to electronically lock the trailer or trailer brake system, receive immediate alerts, and control access through either a Bluetooth-enabled mobile app or dispatch-managed web software. The system integrates with the 7P Route Watch platform and can be used in drop-and-hook operations, terminal yards, roadside parking, and other high-risk dwell points. The layered cargo security approach also includes authorized access control, giving dispatch the ability to grant or remove access for specific drivers and assets, GPS visibility, cargo door protection with optional event-based door switch, BLE cable seal, or Cargo Locks USA hardware, and integration into existing fleet workflows. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.